Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix black screen of death and but get notifications fixed after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. One of iPhone users said that the phone will automatically recover after around 3 minutes since you take the phone from charger, so wait until 3 minutes complete. If it's not working, force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone. And problem is fixed. How to black screen of death and but get notifications fixed after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.